The short video explains how to get the most out of subspecialty content on the new JBJS.org website. In a previous video, we explained how to customize the homepage tiles so that the subspecialties most important to you are at the top within easy reach. This video will explore subspecialty content in more depth. Let's assume that you're an orthopedic surgeon subspecializing in hip replacement and other hip procedures. If you click on the hip tile on the JBJS.org homepage, you will land on a page containing a wide variety of hip-related content. These selections come from our 6 JBJS journals, along with our peer-reviewed JBJS videos, clinical summaries, and educational resources. The most read hip article of the month appears at the top left. The new JBJS.org gives you a direct link to the most popular trending content in your subspecialty. Clicking on a video image under Most Recent Videos will bring you directly to that video. It might be a standalone key procedures video, or in this case, a video embedded in a JBJS Reviews article. On the right side, you'll find a list of most recently published hip articles from all JBJS journals with direct links to the full text or PDF. Beneath the most read article summary are direct links to hip-related clinical summaries. Clinical summaries are synopsis of the current state of the science for common orthopedic conditions. Each summary includes a digest of the most recent findings with links to supporting original research articles. Finally, at the bottom of the hip page, you'll find links to educational resources such as the JBJS Virtual Recertification course. The search bar appears at the very top of each subspecialty page, so you can conveniently perform a search at any time. And whenever you click on the star icon, that piece of content is immediately stored in your personal JBJS library. A separate video describes many ways to build your personal library using the JBJS feature. We encourage you to explore all the subspecialty content that's important to you on the new JBJS.org website. If you have any questions about this personalization feature, please contact us at customer support@jbjs.org. Thank you.